Guys, just want to do a real quick video on the 3 techniques to put snow chains on. I'm not going to show you how to do it completely. I'm going to show you there's 3 different basic ways of putting them on. Okay, so I got snow chains, but I'm not going to break them out for this demonstration or whatever. Probably the easiest way, if you don't have a whole lot of strength, if you're a smaller guy like me or whatever, a lot of times I'll lay them out and then drive over them. Now, in my opinion, a lot of old guys will tell you that's not the right way of doing it, but it works way better. I can get them a lot tighter. Then you drive over about half of them. You pull one side up here, you pull the other side up here, and then you hook them. And that seems to work best for me. There's another way, which is the most common way, which is just throwing them over top of the tire and then driving over them. But a lot of times that middle rail doesn't exactly go in between the duals when you do that. But there is one surefire way, and a lot of people say this is the easiest way. I never did this because I never had a 4x4, but if you keep a 4x4 or 2 4x4s, and you're running single chains, put the 4x4s in front of your inside dual tire, drive up on it. It's going to raise it up about 2 inches, and you'll be able to put your whole snow chains on without even driving forward or nothing. Now, after you get them all tight and everything, drive another 10-20 feet back up, and they're going to be loose again, and you're going to have to tighten them up a link. Undo all your cams and tighten them up a link. But those are the 3 basic ways of putting on snow chains.